Welcome back to the Wiki Show. Today I have for you an article that has two reference lists populating at the bottom of the article. So we scroll down and we see the regular reference section right here and all the references being populated as they should. But once we scroll down, we approach the external links section. So far that's correct. But then I keep going, and down here at the very bottom of the article is a whole nother reference section being populated in the article. This should not be on this article at all. So why is this? If I look closely at these references right here, I'll find that these references correspond to references found in the external links section. But the problem is there shouldn't be references in the external links. No, this is not the way it's supposed to be. You should not have a second reference list down here, and you should not have references in the external links. None of this actually belongs in this category at all. To see why this is like this, let's go look at the wiki text. Alright, in looking at the wiki text, what we have here is the external links section, and in the external links it contains references inside the external link. This should not be happening. But what's causing that second reference list to populate at the bottom of the article is because these reference tags appear below the ref list template in the wiki text. This is a simple fix. We just need to move this content up into the main body of the article. This does not belong in the external links section anyway. So I'm going to move it up here, create a heading, and paste. And that will fix having that second reference list populating at the bottom of the article. Type in my edit summary. And I'm going to publish my changes. Great, now we no longer have that second reference list populating at the bottom of the article. I thought this was a really unusual problem to find in a Wikipedia article, and that's how you fix it. That's all I have for you this week. We'll see you next week.